Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the latest and greatest tech offerings on the market. Today, we have a powerhouse of a graphics card that's been making waves in the gaming community, the PNY GeForce RTX 3070Ti. Let's dive in and see what makes this GPU stand out from the crowd. The PNY GeForce RTX 3070Ti boasts some impressive specs under the hood. Powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, this beast comes equipped with 8GB of GDDR6X memory and 6144 CUDA processing cores. With a core clock speed of 1575 MHz and a boost clock speed of 1770 MHz. You can expect nothing short of blistering performance, even in the most demanding games. But performance is only part of the story. The PNY GeForce RTX 3070Ti also features a sleek design with the Epic X RGB triple fan cooling system. Not only does this keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions, but it also adds a touch of style to your rig with customizable RGB lighting. In terms of connectivity, this card has you covered with DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, along with PCI Express 4.0 compatibility for seamless integration into a wide range of systems. Now, let's talk about what really matters: gaming and creative performance. With NVIDIA's second-generation ray tracing cores and third-generation tensor cores, the GeForce RTX 3070Ti delivers unparalleled visual fidelity and eye-accelerated performance. Whether you're exploring the latest AAA titles or diving into content creation, this card has the horsepower to handle it all with ease. In conclusion, the PNY GeForce RTX 3070Ti is a true powerhouse of a graphics card that delivers top-notch performance, stunning visuals, and unrivaled versatility. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a mining enthusiast, this card has everything you need to take your experience to the next level. And that wraps up our review of the PNY GeForce RTX 3070Ti. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy gaming!